Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. And I just received my lapel mic for my Google Pixel 2 XL that has a Type-C connection. I hadn't found any, but I did find one. And if you are looking for a lapel mic as well, I will put a link where you get more information. I did a test. It sounds good. I'll be doing a review. But one of the things that I discovered is Google, with the new when you go into video mode, as I'm showing you here on my phone, when you plug this in, there's an option where it'll let you choose an external mic. So I hadn't seen that before. I'm so glad they have added that now. You don't need a third-party video app. So let me show you. Now, my voice might get crackled up when I plug it in, just with what I'm using to record this. But let me go ahead and try and plug it in. I'll show you. You'll see in the bottom left corner, there'll be an option. But now in the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see I'm going to click on that, and it's a use external mic, and now I'm using the external mic, and then again I could pick if I want to use the phone mic, and then once you unplug it, that option goes away. So very cool. I just discovered this. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I will put a link to this microphone, lapel mic, and it also comes with a nice case. All right, everybody, have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.